Ashley, wait then. Wait for me over there, say, yeah? Now forward. Mall Tower. Hot Dragon.
But I know I want that.
Oh. Chicken, chicken. Around there. Yeah, butcher. Alright, may I come circle you? Hey, sir. Ashley, here we are. Stay with Miss Joyce, yeah? Then me forward. So, from here.
Okay.
Alright. And take time to sit in Malta and mind your junk, you know.
Yeah.
You say anything to boss yet?
No, we not say nothing to her. And this morning, I get the call from German and me and him talk. The laptop come up, but the file them gone.
The file ain't on the 2 phone?
Yep, everything gone.
At square one, we're going back now. Not even know how bossy are going to react to this.
And that's why I'm not say nothing to her yet. Because I know she got disappointed bad.
So if you don't have the laptop, what are you going to use to do what you do over 21?
Mr. Mullins get me a device for use. Him say him know I'm have nothing too loud for use in his space.
You ever work with a device before?
No, I tried it for my first time. Him said it can stay in my bag and I can program it.
German tell you if I wipe the laptop?
No, and I him wipe it. Remember say it crashed before me give it to him.
The program them where you use for detect cameras. At the office you get it from?
No, and numbers they give me them. Whisper, what you think?
I think about everything.
You not believe say numbers involved in this any at all?
See, but one of the rules them when Mr. Mullins and boss teach me.
Pre everybody and don't take nothing for granted.
And you have to remember say numbers is a genius at this, you know. Because him have other things I do, sometimes we get him true potential.
But how him would I do this?
And you are the tech person, you know. Think about it.
I him put on the program. You think him can hack in it?
You tell me.
So I go on and now, butcher. As I may tell her, bro, you would from 13 drop out. So you get the information from our band.
Boy, them a say a feds, you know, but some people a say look away. Because them dress code not look like a feds.
Gotcha.
Yo, you hear from Teflon?
Oh, I know. I showed him, but me not get no answer.
From them time but till now. That look away and it is.
That me I said to you, know. I want to tell you, say, 7 times I call him on 7 different days now, you know, I hear nothing at all.
Yo, it is. And I come like our action and put you with them in danger over 13, no, brother.
Well, then I look on it that way, man. You see that thing that where them are bringing strange man in our community, them. That may be one of them too, you know.
Alright, you know. And a bad make you an identification, I man.
That may I tell you, man. But it's somebody where we did know. We don't hear about that long time, man.
Yo, the Teflon thing is bad me do, brother. Because how you knock him and you not get to it.
I know how. Try, man.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished.
So I'm show you, butcher.
But man, black in black it is.
I want to tell you, you know, butcher. A whistling bird, but I know say them see vehicle I left out at 21 in. And them man then again. Nobody them vehicle, brother.
So I'm up on the ground. And him not answer you.
You know, me all I hear say 2 you drop over vicious side to run a valley.
You know, me hear the same sound, brother. What is an honor done, though? What could have caused that?
Over there none done, you know. But remember say Teflon did want run off over there. Him only no make no move. So him not sure if a vicious run off over there.
You know more know it is. How vicious never try run over there say. I will know him stay.
Yeah, Whisper.
You reach over there already?
No, me not reach over there yet. Me soon reach.
Let's check by your car, I can't even shadow you.
You can't stop check for me, please. And me and can't be at the same place. Kind of pass for a college student. You get the food?
Are you not gonna do it?
Alright, hurry up and get the food and stop calling me. Alright.
Alright, miss.
Alright.